This is the visual learning activity on the top of page 98. Go ahead and make sure you have that in front of you and then watch the video.
How can you compare the number of soccer balls and basketballs? You can match them 1 to 1. What does the picture show?
What do you think the picture shows? I see a line from this soccer ball to this basketball. I see one from this soccer ball to this basketball. And I see one from this soccer ball to this basketball. What's happening over here? Is there a basketball down here to match it up with? No, there's not. So what do you think the picture is showing?
There is one soccer ball that does not have a match. The groups are not equal. There are a greater number of soccer balls than basketballs. How are these two pictures alike? The balls are matched 1 to 1. The group that has a greater number of balls has a circle around it. How are they different? The second picture shows the balls are stacked on top of one another instead of side by side. Now look at these groups. How do you compare the number of soccer balls to the number of basketballs?
So in this picture, all of the soccer balls are not lined up and the basketballs lined up. They're kind of mixed and jumbled up like they would be in a toy box. How do you think we would compare those? Gonna give you a clue. I have my marker ready. What am I going to do with my marker? I'm going to match them up, aren't I? So I'm going to match this soccer ball with this basketball. I'm going to match this soccer ball with this basketball. And I'm going to match this soccer ball with that basketball. And I see there is one soccer ball left over all by itself. So the number of soccer balls is greater than or bigger than the number of basketballs.
To compare, you match 1 to 1. There is an extra soccer ball that can't be matched. Draw a circle around the group of soccer balls.
Notice how they drew this circle? It's kind of wiggly and squiggly because they want to show that the soccer balls are more, so they want to make sure none of these basketballs here get in with it. They want only the soccer balls in the group, so that's why they wiggled around like that with their line.
What words can be used to compare the soccer balls to the basketballs? Greater than. The number of soccer balls is greater than the number of basketballs.
Okay, that's the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to be working on the bottom of page 98, page 99, and page 100. So go ahead and go down to the next one on the list.